Today I have presented a piece of research about the attitudes of business elites of the EU member states, attitudes towards the process of European integration. So basically we're interested to know whether they want European integration to develop, to be deepened, or instead they think it has already gone too far and should be stopped. We found some interesting results based on a original survey that we have run thanks a European project. We found that the business elites in the member states think very differently about prospective European integration. They're not a monolith, they're not unified in their views. And not only they're not unified across countries, but also they're not unified within the same country. So there are different preferences, and these normally are dictated by the way they perceive European integration in terms of benefits to their own countries and in terms of benefits to the business community, and also their attitudes depends on their ideology, economic ideology, whether they're more liberal and social oriented. And surprisingly enough, we found that if they're more social oriented, they support the paradigm of regulated capitalism. They also tend to support EU integration more. And then their attitudes are also dictated by identity. If they have a more cosmopolitan identity, they tend to be more supportive of European integration. This is basically the main findings of our work, but surprisingly enough, we found that it is not the structural properties of their own company that matters, so whether a company is larger or smaller, more export-driven or input-driven. It is not even the sector of the company, so whether it is the service market, the service sector or other sectors, but really it is the sociotropic perception that they have of EU integration, so whether it is beneficial or not for the country at large and for the business community at large. So this is quite interesting because it shows that those business elites tend to have a long-term perspective and also a wide perspective, and not necessarily, they're focused on the individual gains for themselves or for their company.